Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. This is lecture number 18. The name of the paper is Introduction to Linguistics. The chapter is semantics, and our topics are the definition of semantics, what is meant by semantics, the conceptual meaning, and the associative meaning. They are very short topics and it will be a short lecture. This lecture is specifically for the students of the 4th semester GDC Pubby and also for the students of those colleges which are affiliated with Abdul Wali Khan University. This is from the book The Study of Language by Giorgio, and this is one of your prescribed books, and we'll study it from here. Let me give you some idea about what is meant by semantics. Semantics is actually the study of meaning. In brief, we can say it is the study of meaning. But it is the study of meaning of words, sometimes the meaning of phrases, and then the meaning of sentences. However, sometimes some people take their own meanings from some words. When we discuss meaning in linguistics, we won't discuss that meaning which is individually taken by someone, some special meaning from some word or phrase or sentence. We will take only that meaning which is conventionally given to the word, to the phrase, or to the sentences. So that meaning is considered which are given to the words conventionally. We'll talk about the conventional meaning, and we would try to avoid the subjective and the local meaning. So the subjective and the local meaning refers to that meaning which a specific person takes from some specific word, a specific meaning. That meaning is generally not accepted, so that meaning will not be taken in linguistics. We will take that meaning only which is objective and which is concerned with the objective and general meaning. So we avoid the subjective and the local meaning. ये अभी जो हमने बात की तो ये semantics की definition में है कि semantics से मुराद meaning है. meaning किस चीज़ की? words की, phrases की और sentences की. लेकिन ये meaning कभी कभार यूँ भी होता है, किसी लफ्ज से कोई शख्स कोई ख़ास मीनिंग ले सकता है, पर्सनल मीनिंग ले सकता है. हम उसकी बात लिंग्विस्टिक्स में नहीं करेंगे, बल्कि हम बात करेंगे कि वर्ड्स कन्वेंशनली क्या मीनिंग रखते हैं, और हमारा जो कंसर्न है वो ऑब्जेक्टिव है, वो जनरल मीनिंग के साथ है, वो सब्जेक्टिव और लोकल मीनिंग के साथ नहीं है, बल्कि लोकल और सब्जेक्टिव मीनिंग को हम अवॉइड करेंगे. तो सेमेंटिक्स को अभी लाइन बाय लाइन इससे पढ़ते हैं. सेमेंटिक्स इज द स्टडी ऑफ मीनिंग ऑफ वर्ड्स, फ्रेजेस एंड सेंटेंसेस. ये सेमेंटिक्स की ब्रीफ डेफिनेशन है. इन सेमेंटिक एनालिसिस जब हम माने को एनालाइज करते हैं, देयर इज ऑलवेज एन अटेम्प्ट टू फोकस ऑन व्हाट द वर्ड्स कन्वेंशनली मीन. तो फोकस ये होता है कि हम अल्फाज के जो रिवायती माने हैं उनके लें, rather than on what an individual speaker like George or Adil Jamil or whatever might want them to mean on a particular occasion. हम वो माना नहीं लेंगे जो एक खास बंदा लेता है किसी खास ओकेजन पे किसी लफ्ज से. This approach is concerned with objective or general meaning. ये जो हमने semantics की बात की तो इसमें अप्रोच और कंसर्न होता है ऑब्जेक्टिव मीनिंग का, यानी आपकी जाती मीनिंग नहीं, और जनरल मीनिंग का जिसको सब समझते हैं. एंड अवॉइड्स ट्राइंग टू अकाउंट फॉर का मतलब तफसील बताना, सब्जेक्टिव और लोकल मीनिंग. और हम सब्जेक्टिव और लोकल मीनिंग की बात नहीं करते. डूइंग सेमेंटिक्स, जब हम सेमेंटिक्स को करते हैं, इज अटेम्प्टिंग टू स्पेल आउट व्हाट इट इज वी ऑल नो व्हेन वी बिहेव एज इफ we share knowledge of the meaning of a word, a phrase or a sentence in a language. जब हम अटेम्प्ट करते हैं सेमेंटिक्स की डिस्क्रिप्शन की तो हम उसमें शेयर करते हैं नॉलेज को जो वर्ड के मीनिंग के बारे में, फ्रेज के मीनिंग के बारे में या सेंटेंस के मीनिंग के बारे में. So this is what we do in semantics. Semantics is the study of meaning of words, of phrases, and of sentences. But in semantics, we talk about the conventional meaning. We are concerned with the objective and general meaning, and not with the subjective or local meaning. Here comes the next topic. As I told you, we will discuss the definition of semantics. So we did this. Semantics is the study of meaning of words, phrases, and sentences. Now we come to conceptual meaning as well as associative meaning. So in this paragraph, rather in these paragraphs, we'll discuss these two types of meanings. Conceptual meaning is an extremely important meaning. You will study these meanings once again in your fourth semester. So listen carefully to what is meant by conceptual meaning and associative meaning. As we said, semantics is the study of meaning in language. The two meanings are very important. One is the conceptual meaning of a word, and the other is associative meaning. This conceptual meaning of a word or phrase or sentence is very basic and very important. And there is also the other type of meaning called associative meaning. Coming first to this conceptual meaning, we say that the conceptual meaning of a sentence or of a phrase or of a word is very basic. Why? Because it consists of the essential components of meaning that are conveyed by the literal use of a word. This is what we mean by the conceptual meaning. The conceptual meaning covers basic essential components of meaning that are conveyed by the literal use of a word. So it is the basic meaning, it is the essential component of a word, and we find it in the literal use of a word. So this is one thing we should know about the conceptual meaning, that it is the basic meaning of a word, sentence, or phrase, and it is the essential component of meaning which is conveyed by the literal use of a word. Secondly, the conceptual meaning refers to that meaning which is found in dictionaries. Dictionaries are actually designed to describe or to tell about the conceptual meaning. So whatever is there in the dictionary meaning, that is called the conceptual meaning, or therefore it is also referred to as denotative meaning, the meaning given by the dictionaries. This example will explain all the thing to you. For example, we have the word needle. Needle, if you check the dictionary, you will find such things like these are the basic and essential components of the meaning, that it is thin, it is sharp, it is a steel instrument. All these components are the essential components of meaning conveyed by the literal use of the word needle, and this is also the basic meaning. Now coming to the other type of meaning, associative meaning, we will discuss this with reference to the same word needle. For example, this word needle has different associations, has different connotations attached with it. For example, pain is attached with the needle. If someone pricks you, you feel pain. Illness is attached with the needle because with the help of the needle, you can inject medicine to someone. Blood is attached with it because if you prick someone with a needle, blood may come out of him or her. Or it is also attached with drugs because drugs can be used with the help of needle. Needle is also associated with thread, with knitting, and it is hard to find. All these are associated with it, with the word needle, but